I do know she has the right to ask for a court-appointed attorney. I do believe, though, that court-appointed attorneys aren't always guaranteed outside.
Well, that's yes.
Oh, wow. Yes. That's totally fine.
What city? So you're like working every other week?
Thank you for calling Kansas Legal Services. This is Debbie. How can I help you? Are you seeking advice or representation?
Child support.
And what legal issue are you needing help with today? Divorce with kids? Great, thank you.
Do you mind if I put your association? I can see what lawyer referral. But that one, though, sorry, I forgot my train of thought. Be all attorney fees, but we're also available in Shawnee County.
Okay, so you said you had an appointment on the 3rd of September at the Garvey Center for like the final parenting plan? Okay. You know where I'm going?
So we've got that in here. We've got court on October 7th of this year at 9:30 a.m. And that's going to be in Lima County. Make a note of that.
Okay, yeah, I know where P-I-L-E-N-T. And you're saying P is in Papa, correct? And your first name? Michael. Okay.
Last year here in Wyandotte County, there were 2,300 individuals and families that were evicted from their apartments, their homes, and they all came here to this courtroom for their pronouncement that they were going to be evicted. About 95% of that 20,300 families had no attorney. The landlords always had an attorney. And those that did have counsel hopefully got their counsel from the KLS office, which is just 50 feet to my right. We are trying to do more here in the eviction space, and I think in 2024 we are doing more, but we have a long way to go because many of those who are evicted don't understand and appreciate that the defenses are few and far between, and those defenses that would be applicable really are best made by an attorney who specializes in that space, and that's what KLS does.
And now I talked about a 1430-day notice earlier, the tenant giving a 1430-day notice, but now it's the other way around. Now the tenant has done something they're not supposed to do under the lease other than not paying rent. And the landlord can give you a notice that says you got 14 days to cure this problem. And if you don't, in 30 days, your lease is terminated and you have to move out.
Hi, we're here in the Wyandotte County Courthouse for the Self-Help Center here in Kansas City, Kansas. I am the lawyer who sees everybody who walks into the help center here. We see all sorts of cases ranging from housing, evictions, people just beginning that process, or people who've had a default judgment and come in wanting to know what they can do at that point. We also have a lot of family law cases coming here. People needing help with a divorce, wanting to start a divorce, wanting to figure out how to respond to a divorce, or custody cases, parenting plans, finding out how to get child support started. It runs the gamut. We also have, always have a unique case or two every week. We've had someone come in who got a letter and wasn't even properly served in a debt action from 20 years ago. And we had to sit and figure out what can he do now as interest is continuing to rise and rise and rise.